Hi, for this video, I will be showing you 4 ways on how to fix this site can be reached on an Android mobile device. So the first option is to clear browsing history. So go ahead and open your browsing application. On the upper right corner, you can see the 3 dots. Tap on this icon and choose Settings. Scroll down until you can see Privacy and Security. Under Privacy, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure that the browsing history, cookies, and site data, cached images, and files are all selected by checking the boxes right beside. After all of these are checked, tap on the Clear Data button and tap on Clear. See the effects by closing and reopening your browsing application. The second option is to use Secure DNS. So go ahead and open your browsing application. Located on the upper right corner are the 3 dots. Tap on that icon and select Settings. Scroll down and under Security, select Use Secure DNS. Select the Choose Another Provider. Tap on the Customize drop-down button and select Open DNS. See if this resolves the problem. The third option is to choose Network manually. So locate and open your Settings application. Now choose Connections, select Mobile Networks, and then tap Network Operators. Now select your service providers, which can be seen on top or on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on the button beside Select automatically. Now a prompt will pop up on your screen. Tap on the OK button and choose your desired network. And that is for the third option. As for the last option, we will be using a VPN. Open your Play Store application and search for Turbo VPN Secure VPN Proxy. Download it and open. I will explain the process on how to use the Turbo VPN, so don't worry. After opening the app, tap on Agree and Continue. Now click on the caret icon. By tapping on the caret icon, it allows you to connect to a server connection. This is for you to be able to connect to a site that you can reach. And those are the 4 ways on how to fix this site can't be reached on an Android mobile device. Thank you and have a great day.